Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for your great support always. I'm so grateful for your continued support to this channel. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Now, it is now becoming very clear that even the judiciary, especially the Supreme Court judges, they are so terrified about William Ruto's fishy plans. As I was just listening to Justice Lenaola, who is among the judges from the Supreme Court, I was shocked, Kenyans. If this is the judiciary that claimed the evidence that was taken by the Azimio la Umoja One Kenya coalition during the presidential petition, and they said that evidence was hot air, they are now coming out to tell us that they are so terrified that if the systems of the Supreme Court or judiciary can went down, what about the systems of election 2027? It is not the words that I'm just exaggerating. It is the words that came from the Justice Lenaola, one of the judges of the Supreme Court. Listen to Justice Lenaola.
Those of you who followed the Rigiji saga will remember that at some point the judiciary website, the online filing system went down. I want you to carry this question into 2027. Why did that online platform collapse? Why did the firewalls that we created before 2022 suddenly become vulnerable? And imagine what may happen in 2027. I will say no more, but think about it.
As you have listened to Justice Lenaola, I can guarantee you that even the judiciary, they are tired with this so-called man, this so-called William Ruto. They are so terrified and they are tired. Does it mean that sasa hii is like a revolution, that everyone is getting upset and so terrified about William Ruto? As if what Lenaola has said is not enough, he added saying in a statement criticizing the legislatures that yeye pia ako na opinion yake na hatatishwa. No, hatatishwa. Akisema hivyo, you can clearly tell how furious the judges, they have realized hii mtu tuliinstall kume ni mtu bure tu hivi. Wakati walisema evidence walipeleka Supreme Court, walisema ni hot air. Saa hii wanatuambia hawatatishwa. In fact, ni kama wanatishwa. Listen to Justice Lenaola.
To be tabled in Parliament. I don't understand why our Parliament, and by the way, I'm one of those judges who is not limited in expressing my mind. So you not expect me to say Parliament has done wrong, the President has not done. I speak my mind because mtanipeleka wapi? Si manyata ni hapa Samburu. I don't understand why, for example, we are busy passing legislation very quickly on other subjects that are politically important, but we don't look at what is extremely important for this country. The Electoral Commission. How can a country like ours stand on its feet if it does not have an Electoral Commission? Elections are in 2027. This is 2024. When will this commission be prepared? But why don't we use social media to impact on legislation? Why don't we, for example, have a hashtag, appoint IBC now, and spread it? Those who have opportunity will actually follow it, and they will do something. Why is social media, why is the IBC not being constituted? Because Azimio can't appoint their representative to the panel. Is that something to hold a country hostage for 2 years? So how can we use social media positively to impact on legislation?
Now, ladies and gentlemen, before we continue, as you always do, ensure you like the video. When you like the video, you automatically support the work that I'm doing in this channel, because sometimes you watch and you forget liking the video. So this is just a reminder. As you watch, please consider liking the video. Thank you so much for that like. Now, Kenyans, I'm telling you the truth. There is another third eye that you can see from the statement of Justice Lenaola. Kumbuka, wakati walikuwa na rule against Azimio, walijua kwamba the savior is William Ruto. Hawakujua kwamba wanaingiza mtu hata ajijui. You know? We were so furious with this Supreme Court. Wakati walisema kwamba at evidence ya Azimio ilikuwa hot air. And clearly you could tell the election was rigged. The election was rigged, Kenyans. But because we had a Supreme Court that is not working, a Supreme Court that even could not stand strong and say no to this. Now, have you seen whatever is happening? Have you seen whatever is happening? In fact, you can clearly sense danger coming from Judicial. They have realized that in fact, kama nadanganya, cases ngapi imepelekwa kotini na wamelima Ruto kama shamba ya viazi. Housing levy, Adani, among others, wamekuwa kilima Ruto left, right, center. And that is why you could see even William Ruto so furious saying that wa Kenya sasa wanapinga kila kitu. Ni pepo gani? Yani William Ruto branded us kama pepo. And that is the way we are being pushed to. But again, I want to remind you, as the judiciary is tired, Gen Z's, young youths are tired, middle class, they are tired, teachers are tired, doctors are tired, police officers are tired. It is only members of parliament who are not tired supporting this guy, William Samoei Ruto. It is only William Ruto in these legislatures who are not tired. And that is why you will see Akina Joho, the CS of William Ruto, they're coming out to lectures. The country cannot be governed through Facebook, TikTok, Twitter, YouTube, or other social media handles. The same Junet Mohammed is coming out to lectures how we should not reject anything. That what William Ruto is doing is good. So the problem here is now these members of parliament and some remnants, Judiciary, ambao wanajaribu kuonyesha kana kwamba they're supporting William Samoei Ruto. But for me, it is very clear the Judiciary is moving out. And mark this, if any case will connect to William Ruto with the 2027 general election, watalima Ruto kama gasia, because they know who is William Ruto. They will not tolerate William Ruto. William Ruto captured the judiciary, he captured the legislature, he captured the executive where he is the boss. Remember one thing again, the man has captured all the independent institutions. Can I name them? EACC, DCI, DPP, NIS cannot even tell us whatever is likely to happen before it's happened. You know? Then you ask yourself, are we in a country of banana republic or what? So I think for me, that information of Justice Lenaola, according to my opinion, is giving us an understanding that there's something the judiciary they are terrified about. And if they can come out to ask about the issue of their system going down during the Rigathi Gachagua saga, Lenaola is asking what about the systems 2027? Already he has highlighted whatever is likely to happen. And in fact they are terrified. And if they were part and parcel of William Ruto as we speak, angekuja kusema vitu kama hizo. In fact anasema kuna mtu atamtisha. Na kitishwa kwani watampeleka wapi? That is what Justice Lenaola is trying to say. So eventually let me repeat saying that enough is enough. All corners of the Republic of Kenya, they are now waking up. They are now realizing the mistakes they made. Every sector is coming out with clear mind We are not going to be part and parcel of William Ruto's propagandas. We are going to state everything very clear. And that is where Kenyans are. Be it teachers, doctors, everywhere. We are saying, must go, must go. Sijui kama unanielewa. And that is the power now that we are having. And we are not relenting. We are not cooling down soon. Anyone who is expecting that you're going to cool down, in fact, we are even terrified. William Ruto should not reach 2027. Atolewe mapema, aende nyumbani. But some individuals are so terrified, watasema, oh, inchi itachomeka. So if kama kuna mshike inaweza kuwa hapa, let's wait him 2027. Na tumuonyeshe kwamba we are so powerful. Ladies and gentlemen, what do you think? Drop your opinion at the comment section below. Otherwise, thank you so much because of your great support. Please consider subscribing, liking, commenting, and sharing this video. Bye bye till you meet in another video.